Condair Systems is the specialist for direct room humidification systems in Germany and Central Europe. Located right next to Hamburg Airport, we are part of Condair's European Production and Logistics Center. With a workforce of around 700 employees, Condair Group is the world's leading manufacturer of commercial and industrial humidification systems. Our direct room humidification system fits into any building and meets any requirements. For factory buildings, warehouses, offices or laboratories, the various direct room humidification systems are used exactly where they are needed and also offer optimum humidification even for only parts of a building. A direct room humidification system can always be used whether or not there is a pre-existing air conditioning unit, which makes it ideal for retrofitting to existing premises. We offer advice, planning, installation and maintenance as an all-in-one package with all of the service features that give our customers peace of mind from the beginning. Integrated full service maintenance every 6 months, a lifetime guarantee, free updates and comprehensive certification. Our humidification systems are all-inclusive to ensure your success.